Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by marking the shortest, code-compliant vent run from the fixture trap to the main stack or roof. Once done, cut the finished openings and dry fit 2 or 3 vent pipe lengths so you know exact joints. You should prime and cement only after test fitting. That prevents mistakes. Make sure to install pipe hangers every 4 to 6 feet and keep the vent slope level. If you encounter hidden framing, pause and plan a chase or offset. Do not force the route. You now connect branch vents into the main stack using a Y or quarter bend oriented for flow. This reduces turbulence and frost lock risk. Once connected, run the vent vertically through framing, cutting minimal joist material and reinforcing with metal plates where needed. Make sure to position cleanouts at the base or at offsets so you can service clogs later. Use corrosion-resistant flashing and sealants at the roof penetration. Finally, test the system. You finish by routing the vent through the roof, installing a factory flashing and storm collar, and positioning the vent height to meet code. This prevents backflow and ensures proper draft. Once sealed, insulate the first few feet of vent in cold regions to prevent frost closure. After finish work, run a full system test, flush fixtures, and listen for gurgles. If problems appear, first verify trap seals, and then use a smoke or pressure test to confirm vent continuity. That narrows troubleshooting and avoids needless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.